Hello! Today, we show you how to use WP Dark Mode with Gutenberg. To start, let's publish a post by clicking on Add New and setting a title. Click on the plus sign and click on the Dark Mode switch logo. You can also find the Dark Mode by typing the name Dark Mode Switch. You'll see a selection of layouts for the Dark Mode widget. You can also set the position of the widget. Click on Publish to save the changes. If you preview your site, you will see that WordPress will display the Dark Mode widget on your site. And you will be able to darken your site as usual. And that's it. If you like this feature, download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free, or contact us at support@wppool.dev.